Good morning everyone. Today we will do exercise 4.4. So let's start exercise 4.4. So first question of exercise 4.4 is subtract the following. So first question is given to us, that is 67,413 subtract 35,815. So first of all, you will arrange both the numbers vertically. After arranging them, you will subtract. One question I have already done for you, but let's do it again. See, you can't subtract 5 from 3. So you will take carry from this number. So when you will take carry from this number, here it will be 0 and here it will be 13. 13 minus 5 will be 8. Again, now you can't subtract 1 from 0. So you will take carry from this number. So this number will be 3 and this number will be 10. 10 minus 1 will be 9. You can't subtract 8 from 3. So you will carry 1 from this number. This is 7. So it will be 6 and this is 13. 13 minus 8 will be 5. 6 minus 5 will be 1 and 6 minus 3 will be 3. So this is how we will do subtraction. One more I am doing for you. This is part B. Solve the following. So how we will subtract? You can't subtract 9 from 1. So I'll write here 11 and I'll write here 4. 11 minus 9 will be 2. Again, you can't subtract 8 from 4. So I'll take carry from this. 14 minus 8 will be 6. You can't subtract 3 from 2. So here it will be 6, here it will be 12. 12 minus 3 will be 9. 6 minus 5 will be 1. And 6 minus 0 will be 6. So answer is 61,962. Clear everyone? See how I have done this. B part. Write the number which is 5,389 less than 67,351. आपको वो नंबर बताना है जो 5,389 लेस हो 67,351 से. If I'll say tell me the number which is 2 less than 20. So what you will do? You will subtract 2 from 20 and your answer will be 18. So same we have also done here. I have subtracted the smaller number from the greater one and this is my answer. Second, what number is the predecessor of 43,750? Means you have to write predecessor of 43,750. Predecessor, what is predecessor? Predecessor means the given number minus 1, or you can say that 1 less than the given number. So 1 less means you have to subtract 1. So predecessor of this will be this, means 43,750 is 43,749. Clear everyone? Now third, there were 54,750 pearls in a box. We have one box in which we have pearls, and what is the number of pearls? This one. If 31,276 were fake, then how many were real? आपके पास एक बॉक्स है जिसमें पर्ल्स हैं. जिन पर्ल्स में से कुछ पर्ल्स आपके क्या हैं? फेक हैं. You have to tell how many were real. So how you will do? First of all, you will make the statement. Total pearls. You will write the number of total pearls. Then fake pearls. Then you have to find the real pearls. To find the real pearls, what you will do? You will subtract. Subtraction now you can do yourself. So this question you will do yourself. Come on, fourth part. How much is 8,16,258 more than 3,64,800? See, we students, you students have one misconception कि अगर लेस आ जाएगा तो हम लोग माइनस करेंगे और मोर आ जाएगा तो प्लस करेंगे. बट दिस इज नॉट द फैक्ट. ये एक्चुअली में नहीं होता है कि लेस आ जाएगा तो माइनस और मोर आ जाएगा तो प्लस. You have to understand the statement, you have to understand the meaning of the question. उसने क्या पूछा है, how much, कितना. 8,16,258 ज़्यादा, कितना ज़्यादा है इससे. अगर मैं पूछ रही हूँ how much 10 more than 3, 10 कितना ज़्यादा है 3 से. So what will be your answer? 7. What you have done here? You have done subtraction. You have subtracted 3 from 10. That's why your answer is 7. So here also we will do subtraction. More देखते ही आप add नहीं करेंगे. You will read the statement carefully. So here also I will subtract these two numbers and I'll get my answer. Clear? Now fifth. A farmer earned a total of 50,000 by selling fruits and vegetables. If the income from fruits is 32,700, then how much did he earn by selling vegetables? एक फार्मर है जो टोटल 50,000 रुपीज़ अर्न करता है फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल सेल करके. फ्रूट्स को सेल करके वो कितने ले रहा है, 32,700. यू हैव टू फाइंड वेजिटेबल सेल करके उसको कितना अर्न होगा. सो व्हाट यू विल डू हेयर अगेन, हेयर ऑल्सो यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट अमाउंट अर्न बाय फार्मर. टोटल अमाउंट कितना अर्न किया, 50,000. इनकम अर्न फ्रॉम फ्रूट्स, फ्रॉम फ्रूट्स ही अर्न 32,700. Now income earned from vegetables, what you will do, you will subtract these two. Subtraction you all know I have done for you here. So your answer is 17,300. Here you can write, see you have written amount. So for amount you can write here rupees. This is a symbol for rupees. So your answer will be in rupees. Clear? Last one. There were 23,654 onions in a tractor. If 2,367 was spoiled, then how many were not spoiled? एक आपके पास ट्रैक्टर है जिसमें 23,654 अनियंस हैं, जिसमें से कुछ अनियन क्या हो गए, स्पॉइल्ड हो गए, खराब हो गए. यू हैव टू फाइंड हाउ मेनी वर नॉट स्पॉइल्ड. सो अगेन यू विल मेक स्टेटमेंट. टोटल अनियंस you will write spoiled onions, this is spoiled onions, then onion not spoiled. What you will do, you will subtract these two and then you will get your answer. So your homework is to do exercise 4.4. Thank you.